Hey, are you the kind of person who gets the newspaper on Wednesday or Thursday, kicks back with your stretchy pants and looks through the ads, getting ready to jump into the Black Friday sales? Well, this is a sneak peek for you because DAC, Diamond Art Club, is bringing it this year. 22 new paintings and even some artists that we normally don't see. So please take a look at sneak peek 1 of 4 on my channel and let me know what you think. I'll put the link down below as soon as they release the link, but until then, here's your sneak peek. Welcome everybody. Look what is here. It is a Diamond Art Club and it is sneak peek number 1 out of 4. Oh my goodness. And let me tell you, after the week that we have had, and it's only been 2 days, just the fact that this came was a blessing from heaven itself. I was not expecting it. And I'm so blessed to be able to show you this sneak peek. So are you guys ready? For those of us who do diamond painting a lot with Diamond Art Club, they have begun to really cement their branding. If you see this blue line and you see this square, that tells you that it is square diamonds in here. And this is one of 22 releases this weekend for Black Friday. They're going to have a Black Friday sale. I don't know the ins and outs of what the sale prices or anything are for it, but I am super excited to be able to show you this particular item. Okay, so let's get started. I've got my little mini slicer. I'm gonna slice open this plastic. For those of you just getting involved in diamond painting, there's many different levels of diamond painting. You've got some inexpensive starter kit, snack sizes. I have those shown on my channel. Then you've got some customs you can do, which is sending in your own artwork or your own photos of your dog, your cat, your family, your grandkids. And then you got what I call a premiere kit. Those are companies who have invested in licensed work, which is what I prefer, is licensed work, giving back to the artist and what they've designed. Then they put in a lot of thought and care into their packaging and into the quality of the product. They are a higher price point, but it is worth it. If you think about going to a movie, you know, how much are you spending for 2 to 3 hours of fun? And then you spend that same amount on a kit, and that lasts like 50, 60, 100 hours of fun. So their box right here, like I said, the branding of the square. They have a how-to on the back. They have what comes in the kit itself. It's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Okay. Their branding is also on the plastic bag that comes with it, which I really like. And this box came in a box. It's just off camera because it was too big to put on my craft table. So not only do you have the protection of box within a box, but then you have this bag. So if your box does get wet, it's not going to damage your work. Let's open and see what we have in store. Okay. My daughter picked this one out as the first sneak peek because it's super cute, and she said animals need to be first. So this is a little interruption as you're watching the sneak peek, just to show you that Diamond Art Club did also include a wonderful toolkit. It was hiding in the bottom of the box, and in your toolkit you are going to receive lovely single placer, wonderful pointy tweezers. You're going to receive heart-shaped wax, lots of baggies, a squishy, and this is new. They just added a 4-piece, OMG, this is hot off the presses, 4-piece thin placer. Absolutely amazing. just a little interruption. Now back to the main show. Okay, so this is called Violinist by Marjorie Sarnox, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the picture in just a minute. It is a 56 by 76 centimeter, or in inches, it's 22 by 30 inches. Look at these beautiful colors. Here is your musical notes. Here's some paws. Do you see these beautiful flowers? And oh my goodness, okay, there's a violin bow. There's another paw. Look at that face. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Let's unroll the whole thing. And let's just drool over this together. How gorgeous is that? It's got 42 colors. And out of those 42 colors, 2 of them are ABs. Anytime you have a number under 150, that shows you that it's an AB, because a DMC number, which is what color codes start with for most diamond paintings, start at 150. Look at these basset hounds and the flowers on their ears, their little bow ties. Here's the violin. Beautiful roses. The fabric they use for the canvas is velvety soft. It bends very easily because it's poured glue. If it is tightly rolled, you can roll it backwards and it helps it lay flat more quickly. They do have the key in the upper left corner as well as the lower right corner. Oh, I have some water over here. Lower right corner. Down here, I was showing you, here's your pasting area. And what they mean by pasting is where the drills are actually going to lie. Versus if it was partial, some of this behind here would be white because you wouldn't be laying any drills down. And what I liked is in this artwork, they made the frame actually diamond paintable. Is that even a word? You've got your serged edges. Oh, this is so adorable. Can you imagine a music lover? Look at this ear. It is a piano. There's just so many things to look at. There's something new every time. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over so we can look at the drills really quickly. I know some of you tune out during this part, but I do want to show you how vibrant these drills are compared to some other companies. They do give you step-by-step instructions. It does have the label if you need it. And I'm curious. Oh, here we go. Oh, I was like, where is it? I know Diamond Art Club. Okay, so there's a small sticker in here that you can peel off, and what I love about that, let me grab this for you. It's the perfect fit for any logbook, and I just released this. Check it out. Great Christmas gift. So maybe buy yourself a Diamond Art Club gift and then go over and buy yourself on Amazon or Rocky Nook, the Diamond Painting Guide and Logbook. And then you can put your sticker right on here and log down this amazing piece. Absolutely gorgeous. And then they give you this other sticker, which you can cut off these color codes and stick it on your actual, let me grab one right here. Sorry, kind of bumped you, but you can stick it right on whatever you use as your container. You have a bigger picture right here. Sometimes people stick this on top of their container so they know what drills are in it, or they stick it in, if they separate, they might stick it with the drills. Who knows? But look at these colors. These I love about Diamond Art Club. I'm going to crinkle for a minute. Is that their colors are so vibrant. Now this is new. I haven't seen them use silver on the back, but it does help you see the code better. These are 310s. These are 758s. 744s. Look at those vibrant greens. Oh my goodness, just so many beautiful colors. And then here's like an AB, one of the ABs. As you can see, it has some extra sparkle, similar to like a sequence look. So instead of a sparkle, it's and shine, it's sequency. And I believe the other color is blue, 138. See if it's hiding in here. And Diamond Art Club puts them through the machine based on weight. Okay, so there's a lot of blue sparkle. How fun is that? So based on weight, not based on DMC color. And that way it's more quick to go through the machine, you name it. So I'm gonna stick that over there. I gotta figure out how to put it in this little tiny bag when I'm done. They do such a good job putting it together. But let's look at this final piece. Please go check it out this Friday. It is one of 22 pieces. Absolutely stunning. Oh, it's upside down. It's beautiful even upside down. But if you have a music lover, a dog lover, flower power, jump on this right away. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it is square, like I said. But I love how Diamond Art Club squares fit together. So have lots of fun with this. Go check it out. As soon as they release the links, I'll come back and put a new link in here. And then down below also there is a code if you want to use it to give yourself an extra 15% off. Now do keep in mind you can only use one code at a time. So if they do have codes for the flash sale, use that code instead because that'll give you more off. So thank you so much for enjoying this ride with me, and I hope you liked it. And stay tuned for sneak peek number 2.